This is how to make canopy carport with gutter. First of all, we can select the rotate rectangle and click from this position. We can type around 6 meter and enter. And now we can drag to the behind 6 meter and enter in here. Okay. Then and after that, now we can just click this one and select push pull. Type around 100 millimeter in here. And double click, right click, and make group. Okay, and then now we can make the rotate rectangle in here. Click from this position. We can set the depth around 80 millimeter, and for the behind 160. Click and select push pull. We can push it up around 3 meter in here. Then now we can double click, right click, and make component, and then create. We can select move, type control, and just place to the position in here, and click and select move, type control, and duplicate, type around 2 slash and enter in here. Okay, then now we can make the another beam in here. We can make another beam. Okay, around 80 and 160 millimeter in here. Okay, now we can double click, right click, and make group. Right click and make component, create. You can select move, tap control, and just place to the position, and just place. Okay, now we can select click and select rotate, type 90, and select move in here, and right click and make unique. Okay, and just place to the position and click and select move, tap control, and just place the position in here. Okay, then now we can make the rectangle in here with any size. Okay, we can just place, right click, and make component, then create, then select the position in here and select move, type control. We can select move, type control, and just place to the position. Then we can type a 9 slash and enter in here. Okay, this one, and we can click and select rotate, type 90 degree. We can place on the middle or center of it. Okay, and right click, make unique, and just push it until to the position, and push it until the position. We can select move, type control, and just place the position in here. Okay, select this, and okay, now we can make the another frame to be a gutter in here. Okay, we can make this one, and double click, right click, and make component, create. Now we can place and select move, tap control, and just place, type 9 slash and enter in here. Okay, now we can make the rectangle in here, and just place and double click and make group in here. Okay, now we can make the gutter in here and push it up in here. Click and offset it inside with any thickness as proportional as possible over there. We can make group. Okay. Okay, then now we can make the another color. You can select all and assign about the color of the canopy in here, just like this, and we can make the top of the roof and offset it outside 100 millimeter, and click, erase, and push it up, type 50 millimeter in here, and make group in here. Okay, then now we can select the roofing, and we can just select this one, and we can select the RGB. Then now we can make it lighter and lighter than before in here. Okay, and Okay, so this is for the gutter, and we can extend this one. Can extend until to the position in here, and extend until to the position in here. Okay, then now we can make the piping in here to the ground. Now we can assign about the color of the piping. Okay. So this is for the water flow, and can click and select move until to the position in here. Now we can select the concrete materials in here. Okay, just like this, or okay, we can select we can explode, click, and rotate the texture in here. Okay, just like this to make it anti-slip anyway. And then now we can add more component. Okay, we can add the component in here. Okay, it's like this, and okay, that was done, and maybe we can change the style. Okay, maybe we can change the style, and maybe we can make the another wooden ceiling in here. Like my component and just create. We can select the wood. Okay, we can select move, tab control, and just place it to the position in here. Then we can type 20 slash and enter in here. Or maybe we can just place type 35 slash and enter in here. Okay, so it has the unique ceiling in here, just like this. And now we can also activate about the shadow to make it more clearly enough in here. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.